Hey boys and girls, today we're looking at Unit 7 in Math, Lesson 14, a focus on problem solving. So we're going to take some things that we've talked about over the last few days and put them together to solve some problems. But before we do, let's warm up with some review. First, let's look at the clock. What time does the clock show? Remember, I checked my hour hand first and then my minute hand. 3 o'clock, good job. How would we write 3 o'clock? 3 for the hours, for colon, and 00 for my minutes. 3 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Check my hour hand first, then my minutes. If you have your dry erase, you can follow along and try it too. 8 for my hour. It's pointing, that short hour hand is pointing right at the 8. 0 for my minutes, because the minute hand is pointing at the 12. We would read it 8 o'clock. What about this one? Find that hour hand, the short one. It's pointing right at the 11. What about the minutes? The minute hand is pointing at the 12, so we say o'clock. 11 o'clock. Oh, let's try this one. Find the hour hand first, the short one. If I follow the hour hand out with my finger, it looks like it's between the 11 and 12. So remember, I'm going to start at 11 o'clock here. Remember, as the minute hand travels around the clock and stops at halfway, the hour hand travels also. It's traveled right past the 11. So we're still in the 11 o'clock hour. But anytime the minute hand is on the 6, we say half past or 30. So my time would be 11:30. How do I write that? I write my hours first, 11. Put in my colon. And then add my minutes, 30. Good job. Try this one. Think about the hour hand. What hour has it just passed? I start at the top at 12 o'clock. And I move my minute hand around the clock. When it gets to that 6, my hour hand is halfway past the 12. So it would be 12:30. How do I write it? I write 12 for my hours. 30 for my minutes. 12:30 or half past 12. All right, let's do a little practice with counting change. Jace found a handful of change. He found 6 dimes, 5 nickels, and 4 pennies. How much did he have? So how am I going to solve that problem? I'm going to draw out my coins so I can count them. He found 6 dimes. So I'm going to start with 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. I'm going to plug in my 10 to remember to count all those dimes by 10. He found 5 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how do I label those? A nickel is worth 5 cents. And 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. So I'm going to plug in the ones for that. Now I can count and find my total. Count by tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Freeze, switch to 5s. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Switch to 1s. 86, 87, 88, 89. He has 89 cents. Oh, we have another question to answer here. It says, does he have enough for a candy bar that costs $1? Is 89 cents enough for something that costs $1? No, it's not. 89 cents is less than $1. How much is $1 worth in change? 100 cents. So 89 cents would not be enough. All right, let's look at our 2-digit number we have here. I have the number 64. How many tens in the number 64? 6. How many ones in the number 64? 4. Good job. I have 6 tens and 4 ones. Now, if I want 10 more, I focus on the tens place and I make it go up 1. 64, 10 more would be 74. If I want 10 less, the 6 has to go down 1. Less than 6 would be 5. And remember, the ones place is not going to change. 10 more, 74. 10 less, 54. All right, here we have the number 75. How many tens and how many ones in the number 75? The first number tells me my tens, 7. And my second number tells me my ones, 5. This time, let's go down 10 first. What comes before 7? 6. And my ones place stays the same. 10 less would be 65. Now let's go up 10. Focus on the 10 spot. Make it go up. 7 becomes 8. And 5 ones. What's this 2-digit number? 21. If I look at the number 21, I have 2 tens and 1 1. Let's go down first. Focus on the 10 spot. Take 1 away. I now have 11. Focus on the 10 spot. Make it go up 1. I now have 3. 31. So 11, 21, 31 makes my pattern. All right, let's look at this chart. It says record of ice cream flavors ordered. What were the choices? Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? The first question says, how many people ordered chocolate ice cream? So I would take my finger and count next to chocolate, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people ordered chocolate. Which flavor was ordered the least? How can I tell? Look at my chart, my bar graph here. I'm looking for the one with the shortest bar. Which one was it? Strawberry. Good job. How many ice creams were ordered in all? Oh, I hear some key words. In all. What am I going to do to find that answer? I need to count all the bars together. That's right. So if I start with chocolate, we already counted and it was 5. I'm going to count on. 5. Count vanilla. 6, 7, 8, 9. Count on for strawberry. 10, 11, 12. 12 orders in all. How many more people ordered chocolate ice cream than ordered strawberry ice cream? Remember, if it says how many more, I've got to do some comparison. I've got to find where they're different. So if you draw a line on your chart or with your finger from chocolate to strawberry, the first 3 have partners, and then there's 2 extra chocolates. So 2 more people ordered chocolate or 2 fewer people ordered strawberry. Good work. We'll be back in a few to do your focus lesson for today.